Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to turn on and off game mode on iPhone. So firstly, we are going to start with opening any game you have installed on your phone. For example, I'm going to open this one, turn it in landscape mode. And now on top, you should see information game mode is on. If you miss that, then you can swipe down from top right corner to trigger Control Center. And above Control Center, you should see the name of the game with information game mode. So you can tap it, and from here control the status. As you can see now it's on. So to turn off game mode, you need to click here once to see status off, and so the icon will be gray. To turn it back on, just click it again, and now background activity will be reduced to optimize the performance of this game. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.